In India, we have a wealth of knowledge. If India has a place in the map of the world, it is because of its spiritual knowledge. Our ancient sages and saints discovered this knowledge, perhaps in the Himalayan valleys, and passed it on from generation to generation. Very faithfully it was passed on. Somewhere down the line, we have lost that education. It's not taught at homes. It's not taught in schools or universities. There are no courses available. And this is all about life and living. How does a human being live life? Unlike other creatures that know how to live life, a human being is faced with choices throughout life. And your life depends on the choices you make. So this knowledge is essential for humanity, but it is not available. So one of the methods that has been followed by my father and Guru, and before him his Guru, it's a lineage of Gurus who have helped get this knowledge across to the common man. So everybody can help themselves. It's only a few days of understanding, but it's up to the individual to understand the importance and pursue it further in their lives.